Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Right, this will be a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure you follow me till the end. So here you can see that I'm into my Instagram profile. On the top right you can see this is the three horizontal lines. Just click on that, and here you can see there's a lot of options, so don't get confused. On the top bar you will get this search bar. Here you have to just write here quiet mode, right? And once you type you will get this option, so just turn this off. And here once you click on this toggle, it will ask you want to skip quiet mode. Instead you can just click on skip for now, or you can select the another one, turn off for quiet mode. So I'll just click on turn off quiet mode, and this is for the permanent, right? So until and unless you don't turn this toggle on once again, then the quiet mode will not work. So make sure you just turn this off, and if you want to skip for today, so you can just click on skip for now. So this is how you can just turn off your quiet mode, and I hope you found this video very interesting and helpful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.